All right, so this is the Gladiator, and I guess they're notorious, especially 2021s and 2020s, for these third brake lights failing. They were a couple of $100 from the dealer the last time I checked, so I just ignored it for a while. But apparently it's leaving a body module code on the truck, which I don't like. And then also I found that you can purchase these from Dorman, and that I don't know if the number is coming through there, but the part number is right there. And it's actually really simple to do, like really simple to do. So you pull this panel up. I've actually had this panel off a few times on this truck because it's a Jeep. I guess that's just the easiest way to say it. It's a Jeep. So you got to unclip this guy, bolt. If you undo this, there's a harness under there. Unplug it. Technically, the plug is right down here. You can do it from there too. But if you undo the harness further down, it actually makes it easier. And then the light comes out from the front. But yeah, maybe I'll try and edit a video in that shows the rest of this process. Okay, so I've undone this clip, this nut here. You can see I've undone that. Now down here is the electrical connector for that third brake light, but it's actually really difficult to do this one-handed. So what I'm going to end up doing is setting this phone down, getting a spade here, and getting this out. Okay, don't forget this guy right there. That's an important one. Okay, now that it's out, one of the important things is these little tabs right here. Those hook right along this edge here. Okay, so you need to press on these little tabs here. That's an important one. And these guys, these are interesting, these little clips. So you gotta peel this little tab, peel it out, get a screwdriver in and separate up. That peel is like a little locking cam, or that tab is like a little locking cam. So now that it's out, you can see that the light is integrated into the housing, right? So now you got this little guy here, this little guy here, and this little guy here. All right, so while this is out, we're gonna clean it. Actually, technically, I've already cleaned it with some alcohol, and now we're gonna treat it with this. And while I'm doing that, my little munchkin is gonna clean all of this, and we'll get this guy in here. All right, so now that we've got this in place, and you can see that we've got this one here, and this one here. Now we need to use a little bit of this, because that spring and piston rod, or whatever you want to call that, that definitely needs a little lubrication. So let's give this a little spritz, and then we'll be ready to put this thing back in. All right, now that it's back in, it literally just clips back in the same way it did before. Maybe I can get the camera down there so that you can see. Nah, that doesn't work too well. Anyways, the little clips are right down. I mean, there's a sight hole right here. It's probably there for a screwdriver. It's probably the same reason why that hole is there. It's for a screwdriver to get down there so that you can push those little pins in, and that's what allows the face to fall out, and then you can take the unit out from underneath. But so that's all done. Now we just need to put the lock actuator back in place, connect the rods that control the actual lock assembly, the latch mechanism, and then we've got this goes to the lock actuator motor, and then down there Actually, I can plug that in right now. Here, Leia, watch out. Your hand's in the way. Oh, right down there, if you can see that. This gets plugged in right down there. But I can't do it for some reason. Oh, that's because I can't see it. Makes it really difficult. There we go. Click, it's in. All right. Okay, let's crash all this together and we're done. Quick note, make this plug before you seat this back in place, or else you won't have any room to get it back in place. You just won't have any room for it. All right, Leia said she wanted to finish these, so go ahead.
I don't know.
There you go. Good job. Oh, it's gonna do that on most of these. Okay, gotta get it in there. All right. Oh, no, it's cross there. There you go. Now keep going. Okay, here, watch. There we go. So this tool is very tight fitting. Okay, go ahead. You gotta do it to all of them. Okay. Oh, gotta keep it in there. There you go. Good job.
God. It twisted like crazy.
Yeah, that's how it works. That's called torque, baby. That's called torque.
Will you hold it with me?
You want me to hold it with you? Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Could I move a bit over here?
Uh-huh. Keep going. Okay, this time it won't torque on you as much. Go ahead. Okay. I got it. All right. Go ahead. You're in.
Will you?
Yeah, I'll be there. Do it to it. Okay.
Yeah,
All
it
right.
didn't fall off this time.
Next. Hold on. Go for it. Okay. Last one. Good job. All right. We're all done.
We did it.
We did it. Yeah. All right.